Hello there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a new account in Gmail. First go to gmail.com. Now click on create an account and select for personal use, or you can select for business. Now enter first name, last name. After that click next. Now select your date of birth, select gender, click on next. Now you can select your email address, or you can create a custom, then enter the new email address. After that click next. Now enter password and make sure it 8 character. After that click on next. Now you need to verify your phone number, click on next. Now check your phone to get the code. After that click next. Now you can add a recovery email, or you can skip. Click on next, scroll down and then click on agree. And there you go, this is our new email address. So this is how you can create a new account in Gmail. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.